The topic name is Niruha Basti. Niruha Basti definition: rectal route of administration of medicine predominantly containing Quata is called as a Niruha. The composition of Niruha Basti are honey, Saindavalavana, medicated Sneha, Kalka and larger quantity of decoction. Sadosha Nirharanat Sharira Niroharanat Va Niruha Sharira Aroharanat Dosha Nirharanat Achintya Prabhavatayah Yasmin Unnuha Sambhava Niruha iti. The basti which causes a removal of aggravated dosha from the body is known as Niruha. Here first derivation says that basis of the classification of doshas by Niruha. In the second derivation, the mode of action of Niruha is attributed to Achintya Prabhava. The synonyms of Niruha Basti depends upon the uses, contents and the actions. They are Asapanam Niruha Ityana Arthantaram तस्य विकल्पो माधु तैलिकः तस्य पर्यायो शब्दयापनो युक्तरतः सिद्ध बस्ति रीति निरुह आस्थापन मधु तैलिक यापन एंड सिद्ध आस्थापन वय स्थापनाद आयु स्थापनाद वा आस्थापन तद्वय स्थापनाद दोष स्थापनाद वा आस्थापन इत्युच्यते आस्थापयेत् वयोदेहं यस्माद् आस्थापनं स्मृतं. The Niruha Basti is also called as the Asthapana Basti. From above the derivation, Asapana means one which stabilizes the youthful age or sustains the life span of the specifying the vitiated doshas. The Asapanopaga drugs are Trivrut, Bilva, Pipali, Kushta, Sarshapa, Vacha, Vatsaka, Shatapushpa, Madhuka and Madanapala. Method of administration of Basti in Puro Karma, Dosha Vichara, Aushada Vichara, Desha Vichara, Kala Vichara, Satmya Vichara, Agni Vichara, Sattva Vichara, Voka Vichara, Vaya Vichara and Bala Vichara. In first one, Dosha Vichara, Kshaya, Ruddhi, Urdhvagamana, Adhogamana, Tiryagamana, Shakashrita, Kostashrita, Madhyama Margashrita, Pradeshagamana, Swatantra, Paratantra, Dhatu Vishesha Ashraya, Kala, Prakriti and etc. In Aushada Vichara, Amata, Heenata, Atimata. Matra of Niruha Basti according to age and the dose. In first year, half dose of the Prasuti. In second year, 1 Prasuti. In third year, 1.5 Prasuti. In fourth year, 2 Prasuti. And in sixth year, 3 Prasuti. Seventh year, 3.5 Prasuti. And in eighth year, 4 Prasuti. In 12th year, 6. And 18th year, 12. Sneha Matra in Basti Dravya. Vata 1/4 of the Quata. In Pitta condition, 1/6 of the Quata. In Kapha condition, 1/8 of the Quata. In a healthy person, 1/6 of the Quata. In Dosha conditions, 1/5 of the Quata. Other points about the Basti Dravyas are Ati Shitata, Ati Ushnata, Ati Tikshnata and Ati Mrututa, Ati Snigdata, Ati Rukshata, Ati Sandrata and Ati Dravyata. Method of preparation of Basti Dravya. The first, the shloka says that Makshika Lavanam Kalkam Kwatamiti Kramat. In the same way, add Madhu and Saindava, and next add the Sneha, and next add the Kalka and Kwata. Stir continuously while mixing. Desha Vichara, two types, Bhumi and Atura. In Bhumi, Jangala Anupa Sadharana Desha. In Atura, preparation of the patient by mainly external Snehana and Svedana on the Kati and Vankshana Pradesha. If Ati Ruksha patient, administration of 2/3 of the Anuvasana before Niruha. Administration of Basti in Shukla Paksha. Niruha after the previous meal is digested. Anuvasana after the meal. Kala Vichara, two types. They are the Rutu Kala and Vyadhi Kala. In Satmya Vichara and Agni Vichara, if Mandagni is there, then the patient given the Deepana Pachana before the Basti. Pradhana Karma. The first step is Basti Pranidhana, Basti Pratyagamana and Nirikshana. And third one is the Nirikshana of Yoga and Ati Yoga Lakshana. First step is Basti Pranidhana, preparation of the Basti Yantra filled with the Dravya, and next Abhyanga and Svedana of the patient. And third one is the position of the patient, left lateral posture, left leg straight and right leg semi-flexed. Patient should be steady. Netra applied after the Buddha Marga, smeared with Snigdha Dravya up to the Karnika. Puttaka properly pressed, enabling the Dravya to enter the Pakvashya. In case of Balya, Vajikarana Basti, Tadana on thigh and buttocks, removing of the netra from the ಕೂಡ. Precautions: patient should take deep inspiration during administration. Needle inserted after the urination 4 to 6 inches. Pressing of Futaka should be uniform. Some dravya should be left in Futaka. After administration, patient lay down for 30 matra. Basti Pratyagamana and Nirikshana. Maximum period of return 45 minutes. In case of failure of Basti, Pakvashe Shula, Admana and Mutra Shula, Vata Pratilomata, Vishtambata, Shula, Jwara, Arati, these lakshanas are will seen. Samyak Yoga Lakshana of Nirobasti, Prasrushta Vindmutra and Mala Pitta Kapha Vayu moved gradually, lightness in the body and Laguta in Pakvashya, Agni Tikshnata, Roga Shaman Lakshanas become